guys, I hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to talk about a little bit what is a by-election means, because the reason is because when I went outside and knocked on the doors and one of the local parties, people were saying they didn't know about it. I just want to little bit give you quick about what this by-election is. So by-election means when the local council or the House of Parliament, like someone resigns, and what it does happen is there will be vacancy. That vacancy has to be filled, and then what they do is they call it by-election, and then they will have a time to, and everyone who leaves that area will vote for it. Okay, so don't get confused when someone knocks your door and most people do say these days, we've just voted. That one was a general election. This is just general. This is for local ones. If someone knocks your door or one of the parties ask you about it and talk about it, don't get alarmed. It's just normal. So it's happening all over the UK and most of the places, because there's so many councils become MPs, some of them resign, some of them moved on. There's so many things happening, and then the local authority needs to do by-election. So this is what I said, that will trigger a by-election. In Camden Council or Camden Local Authority, they have 3 council vacancies. So I'm gonna just name it 3 of them. So if you live in that area, make sure you voted. If you get knocked on your doors, don't get confused, don't get think about something else. So I'm gonna call Siri. Siri called Kilburn. Kilburn is here. Siri called Kensington South. Is here. Siri called Camden Square. All these 3 places we have in 3 by-elections. So if you got the chance, make sure you vote. And this is what's called by-election.